Hi guys, welcome to TechTube channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can add a music in your video in Canva. So let's go to the browser first. Right here, Canva, and search it to Google. Then log into your Canva account. After logging in, you can find a search bar here, or you can see here create a design. Just click on create a design and go video. After clicking on video, you can see here the editing portion, and you will find here many templates of videos. You can choose here any templates, or if you have a private video, just go to uploads, upload files, and upload a video from your computer. What do you wanna upload it? Okay, so I'm choosing a video from this elements. Sorry, not this elements. From here, let's choose this one, natural. Okay, see this video has no sound, but I want to add a audio here. So what I have to do now, I have to go uploads, upload files, then I have to choose the audio from my computer and then upload it here. If you choose it and click on open, it will be uploaded in your computer, and it will be, if you want to find it, go audio, you will find it here. Okay, now I'm choosing the audio. See, my audio is added. Let's hear it. Or wait, you can extend it like this from your mouse. Let's hear it now. Alright, so my work is done. So after completing the work, how you can download it? Go to share, scroll down, you will find download. Click on download. Your work will be downloaded in your system. Or if you want to share with person via email, go here and write the email address you want to share with, @. After writing email address, click on send. After clicking on send, this work will be sent to this email address. So guys, this is basically you can add a audio in your video in Canva. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.